Hi, this is Sherry, and welcome to the first video in my new beginner crochet series. In this tutorial, we will be going over the absolute basics of crochet. This includes how to hold a crochet hook, how to make a slip knot, how to maintain tension, and finally, how to make chain stitches. And all of this will be taught by an actual left-hander. So let's get started. I'm using worsted weight acrylic yarn, which is medium weight, also known as a 4 weight, and a size I9 or 5.5 millimeter aluminum crochet hook. You may also want to have some scissors handy. There are two ways you can hold your crochet hook. The first is called the knife hold and is like holding a knife. The second is called the pencil hold and is like holding a pencil. For both holds, the crochet hook should be turned slightly toward you, not facing up or down. It should be held firmly, but not tightly. There are many ways to tie a slip knot. I'm going to show you the way I do it, but any method will work. First, I wrap the yarn once around my hand, starting at the inside of my hand, making a V at the top. Then, going under the yarn on the back of my hand, I pull a loop through. I make sure to grab both ends of the yarn with my right hand before pulling the loop tight. Then I slide the loop onto my hook and pull the yarn from the skein end until tight enough to stay on the hook, but not so tight the loop can't move freely along the rounded area of the hook. Maintaining tension is the way we hold the working yarn in our right hand to keep stitches uniform and even. How I maintain tension is to take the working yarn and placing it over my index finger, then under the middle finger, over the ring finger, and then under the pinky finger. Managing tension is a matter of personal preference. Experiment and find what is most comfortable and works best for you. We're going to start with a series of chain stitches. We're going to chain 11 for this video. So to create the chain stitches, you will bring the working yarn from back to front over the hook, grab it with the hook, turn the hook down and pull the hook through. Now you can see that we have one chain stitch. Next, yarn over, which is what this is called when you pull the yarn over the hook from back to front. Grab the yarn, turn the hook, then pull it through. Now we have two chain stitches on the hook. Yarn over, grab the yarn, turn the hook down, and pull it through. Yarn over, grab the yarn, turn the hook down, and pull it through. Yarn over, hook down, pull through. Yarn over, hook down, pull through. Yarn over, hook down, pull through. I need to straighten the yarn here because it sometimes gets in the way. It happens. Yarn over, hook down, pull through. And as you can see, all the stitches are fairly even. Also, please note that I'm keeping my middle finger lightly on top of this here because it's really hard to work with your yarn and do your stitches if this is sliding all over the place. Plus, you want to keep it on the round part of the hook to make sure all your stitches are even. Another thing to note while we're at it is that the loop that's on the crochet hook is not a stitch and never will be. It's what you work from, and that's the extent of what it's for. All right, now we're going to yarn over, hook down, pull through. Now let's count and see how many we have because I've lost count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need 2 more. Yarn over, hook down, pull through, yarn over, hook down, pull through. So we now have 11 chain stitches to work with, and that's how you make your chain stitches. Now you can practice this over and over as long as you want to until you feel comfortable and can make your group of stitches even like this and make them shaped like the V-stitches like these. And then you can continue on from there. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. You can leave questions in the comments section below, and I will do my best to respond as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching.